Hello, and welcome back to English Speak Daily, your space to listen, repeat, and speak English naturally. I'm Lola, and today we're going to practice something fun and useful: how to talk about your weekend in English. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can follow along. Shadow my sentences and repeat with confidence. By the end of this session, you will be able to describe your weekend plans, your free time, and what you usually do to relax. Sometimes you just need to pause and repeat after me. Talking about your weekend is one of the easiest and most natural ways to connect with people around you. It's what colleagues discuss on Mondays at work, what friends ask you on the phone, and what teachers or classmates often say. The question they always ask is, what did you do this weekend? How was your weekend? Or what do you do during your weekends? If we want to describe generally what we do or usually what we do. And for this, you don't need advanced grammar or big words, fancy words. You just need real sentences about your life. That's what makes your English sound natural and confident. When you can describe your weekend easily, you start thinking in English automatically. You stop translating in your head and begin communicating more naturally. So let's dig into part one. Talking about your Saturday. Let's practice together. Repeat after me slowly and pause when needed. Ready? On Saturday mornings, I like to sleep in. Now repeat. On Saturday mornings, I like to sleep in. Sometimes I wake up early to go for a walk or buy groceries. Sometimes I wake up early to go for a walk or buy groceries. Repeat after me. Sometimes I wake up early to go for a walk or buy groceries. I usually have a slow breakfast, coffee, eggs, or pancakes. I usually have a slow breakfast, coffee, eggs, or pancakes. Repeat after me. I usually have a slow breakfast, coffee, eggs, or pancakes. From now on, I will repeat twice only. Ready? After breakfast, I clean my home or do some laundry. After breakfast, I clean my home or do some laundry. I like listening to music while I clean. I like listening to music while I clean. If the weather is nice, we sit outside in a coffee. If the weather is nice, we sit outside in a coffee. In the evening, I usually watch a movie or cook something new. In the evening, I usually watch a movie or cook something new. Sometimes I go out for dinner. Sometimes I go out for dinner. Other times I just stay home and relax. Other times I just stay home and relax. Let's practice some more sentences. I like to start the day slowly. Sometimes I read a book or listen to a podcast. I like to start the day slowly. Sometimes I read a book or listen to a podcast. Repeat after me. After that, I prepare breakfast for my family. We sit together and enjoy the meal. Later, I go for a short walk or visit a park. After that, I prepare breakfast for my family. We sit together and enjoy the meal. Later, I go for a short walk or visit a park. In the afternoon, I plan my week. I write a to-do list. I check my schedule and prepare my clothes for Monday. If I have free time, I study English or watch a video like this one to practice speaking. In the afternoon, I plan my week. I write a to-do list, check my schedule, and prepare my clothes for Monday. If I have free time, I study English or watch videos like this one to practice speaking. Good job. Now, to wrap everything up, let's try to make a short story about the weekend. Don't forget, repeat after me. Now, let's shadow a short story. So you first listen, then you repeat each sentence after me. My weekend was calm and relaxing. On Saturday mornings, I met my friends for breakfast. We talked for an hour and then went shopping. In the afternoon, I cleaned my apartment and listened to music. At night, I cooked pasta and watched a movie. On Sunday, I woke up late and made coffee. I spent time with my family and went for a walk in the park. In the evening, I planned my week and read a few pages of a book before bed. It was simple, but a nice and relaxing weekend. Now it's your turn. Pause this video and try to describe your weekend. What did you do on Saturday? What did you do on Sunday? How did you feel about it? Use short sentences and speak slowly. You can use the same words as I did, or you can use your own words if you have a different routine. Always remember that you have the text on the screen and you can pause at any moment. You did a great job today. You learned how to describe your weekend using full, natural English sentences. You practiced shadowing, repeating, and speaking with me. Remember, fluency doesn't come from memorizing. It comes from using English. So talk about your weekend often, even if it's just to yourself. The more you speak, the more natural it becomes. Come back to this video each time or anytime and repeat again. Each time, your pronunciation, your rhythm, and confidence will grow. You can listen to this several times and you can record yourself. Then you can see the progress that you are making. This is English Speak Daily, and I'm the Lola. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself.